Have you come across the DesDes app and you're wondering how it works? In this video, I'm going to give you a simple beginner-friendly tour of the app. I'm going to show you how to register, how to verify your account, and how to access some important features in the app like the mic tags. So DesDes is an audio streaming app, and it is also a social interaction app where users can connect with other people through voice and through other features. And it has a lot of interesting features such as virtual gifts, tags, rewards, and this is good for people who enjoy audio chats or who enjoy meeting people online and things like that. Now, creating an account on the app is very simple. All you need to do is to follow the instructions provided in the app and enter your information accurately in order to create an account. So you will select your country and you will put your inviter ID. Now this is very important if you would want to become a host in the app. So make sure you add your invitation. And immediately you register, you will see these new users benefits. So make sure you click on slots to get the welcome bonus. So the next thing you do is to come over to your profile section. You click on tags. So if yours is showing like this, all you need to do is just to verify your account. So you click on verify, and you'll be asked to join an agency. You join an agency, and this is the agency ID right here. So apply to join the agency. And one thing you'll note is that the new day in this app is popo time. Click on verification to verify your account. And once your account is verified, you are good to go. So once you've completed your account verification and once you've joined an agency, then you can now access the mic tags in this app. Now this tags allows you to participate in audio rooms, and you can also interact with other users through voice. So you click on tags, and here is the tags here. As a host, your task is to stay on the mic for an hour. So you have 3 different tags here. Now you can spend an hour and the 3 of them will complete. So all you need to do is to start with the crown challenge, tags. So if you start with the crown challenge tags, then the other tags will automatically be completed as well once you complete your crown tags. So to complete the crown tags, you need to go to a room that has these crown tags. And if you need help getting a room with the crown tags, let me know in the comment section or join my Telegram community for help. And if you would want to host your own room, all you need to do is to click on this icon here that looks like a camera, and you click on go live. And then this is your own room right here. So all you need to do is just to tap on a seat and then sit to complete your task. So it is very, very simple. But if you need help, let me know in the comment section or join my Telegram community. So once you've completed the host task, all you need to do is just to come back here, and then it will show completed. So it will show claim. So once you see claim, all you need to do is just to claim the reward. And if you want to check your reward or your balance, all you need to do is to come over to your profile section and you click on your diamonds. So you click on your diamonds, and this is it right here. So if you ask about my honest opinion about this app, well, it is different from Surveys app and also different from some tax app that we actually do. So the main thing here is audio streaming, and if you are someone who loves interacting with people and meeting new people, that is the purpose of this app. So the platform is built around voice interactions, audio rooms, and things like that. And one important thing I'll need you to keep in mind is that you'll need to complete your account verification, and you will need to join an agency before you can access the mic tax or the mic features. And another thing is that your experience with the app may be different from mine, so have that in mind. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And if you want more guide on how to use this app, feel free to join my Telegram community. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.